move forward and come back to it. Our time is fast spent already.
I've done mine. I'm still getting the same result. I think maybe after doing that, still need to restart the system for that.
So when you enter, when you put the command, so I wanted to be sure if there's anybody that is having Windows that is having issue, the same issue. If you're having, if you are doing, if you are using Windows and you did npm in it and it's working fine for you, please raise up your hand. Two Short Comedy, is it working fine for you?
No, it is not.
What error are you getting?
The same permission error. So I followed what you said now that we should paste the set execution policy code. So after pasting it here, I'm seeing set execution policy is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file.
Whoops. Okay, so you're saying set execution policy to be bypassed. When you entered it, it was throwing error, right?
Yes, after entering it brought out that error that set execution policy is not recognized.
Okay, so now let's do this one again. This is another error, another this thing that we got. So please, this last one again, let's use that.
Okay.
Let me try to check Stack Overflow. Remote signed. After using remote signed, let's try to do that again. npm init on the chat. So I need somebody to share their screen. So because for now, let me quickly share my screen. Let's see. On Stack Overflow is saying that it's seeing the issue and 342 people already said that, upvoted that it worked for them. So we'll be using this to fix it. So the first step here, so if you want to troubleshoot issues, right? Sometimes you use ChatGPT, sometimes you use Stack Overflow, sometimes ChatGPT will want to scatter your brain, right? Can always come to Stack Overflow. You would have seen someone that have experienced the same issue before. And by seeing this upvote count that is here, you know the number of people that the solution that this person provided has already worked for. So go ahead and unmute your mic, Bernard. Like this one now, saying 247.
Yeah, I just want to add to what you're trying to say. So because I have two laptops, right? I have a Mac and I have a Windows, right? So when I install the Node.js and the VS, then I have the same issue. So I have to come to this Stack Overflow and use the same the same Microsoft PowerShell execution policy. And right now I open my window just to confirm the npm init dash thing. It worked perfectly on my window as well. So there is something wrong with this. I think it need to be fixed properly following the instruction on the Stack Overflow, how they instructed people someone to follow the instruction.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Bernard.
Yeah.
So yes, you can always come to Stack Overflow to come and fix our whatever problem we're having or maybe issues we're having. There would have been someone that have experienced the issue before, or you go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is kind of straightforward, but sometimes ChatGPT will confuse you if you don't actually know what you are doing. So now this one is saying set execution remote signed. We've done that already. So, and that's what this thing is telling us to. So I need somebody to share your screen so I can see what response we are getting after typing that. This set execution policy something something.